I'm going to show you how to make sweet potato fries with a technique to make them very crispy. Sweet potatoes contain more sugar than potatoes. When cooked, they'll become soft and it is difficult to make crispy fries. To achieve this, they must be coated with a thin crust. Start by removing the skin from the sweet potatoes. Wash them and cut a slice to stabilize. Cut ½ inch thick slices. Then cut them into fries. Put them in a large container. In a bowl, put 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch for crunch, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Combine. Baking powder and baking soda allow to get a light and airy texture. In another bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of white vinegar with 1 tablespoon of water. The vinegar prevents the sweet potatoes from browning. It also helps to make them crispy. First, put 1/3 of the flour mixture on the sweet potatoes. Mix. Then half the vinegar water. Combine. Add the 1/3 of the flour mixture. Then the other half of the vinegar water. Mix. Finally, add the last 1/3 of the flour mixture. These layers allow to get a thicker and crispier crust. Fry them in oil at 320 degrees. Do this in 2 batches to maintain the temperature. Separate the fries from each other. Let them fry for 4 minutes over medium heat. Stir from time to time. Remove them. Add the salt. To flavor the fries, I like to add a little chopped garlic and parsley. You can also add a little spices such as paprika, cumin or chili powder. The sweet potato fries are ready. Bon appétit! Sweet potato fries are sweet and salty, and with this technique, they are crispy. They will please all your guests. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.